To get started with the first run of our release, let's trigger our first change notification in CDD. So what we'll do is create a branch for both applications in GitHub that matches the version number in our release. And then we'll scan the repositories in Jenkins. And because we have new application versions, the CI phase won't run until each application in the release has the branch created for it. And that's because the last successful change token holds the value of each application version per environment. So when we have a new environment or a new application version, the other tokens are empty, and the release is going to wait for all build notifications for all applications before it will run. So we'll start in our instance of GitHub where we have our master branch of the web backend and web frontend applications. The release that we created in CDD is for a new version of our web banking business application, the Q4 1.5 release. So the first step is to create a new branch for each of the applications in GitHub for this new version. So for the web backend application, we'll create a new branch, and we'll name the branch with the same version name we're using in CDD, which is Q4 1.5. Next, we'll go to Jenkins and scan the web backend repository to create the new branch in Jenkins. Now that that's complete, let's go over to CDD and see what happens when a change notification comes in for one application, but CDD doesn't have the information for the other applications in the release yet. In this case, the new branch triggers Jenkins to send the change notification to CDD, but the release isn't able to run without generating an error because it's going to need some initial data to populate token values for each application in order to run the phase. And here we can see the CI phase started to run and then stopped and generated an error that details are missing. In this case, the values for the tokens are missing. So let's go ahead and do the same thing for the web frontend application. We'll create a new branch with the same version name that we used in CDD. Again, that's Q4 1.5. Then we'll go to Jenkins and scan the repository for the web frontend application. And now that that's complete, let's go back to CDD, and this time, because CDD has data from both applications, the CI phase will run. And here we can see the CI phase is running, and it ran through each task successfully.